Will current Windows 10 in year 2020 can be installed and run from laptop from 11 years ago? Welcome to Max Burner Tech. So for this video, I will formatting SA Aspire 4736Z laptop manufacturing in year 2009. This laptop have a Pentium dual core with 2.0 GHz processor and have 2 GB DDR3 RAM. So I will installing Windows 10 32-bit version. To format the laptop, just insert your formatted USB flash drive in laptop, then turn the laptop on. Press F2 on keyboard to enter the BIOS setting menu. Go to the boot section and set the USB flash drive your first boot priority order. Then save and exit. Your laptop will automatically detect the USB flash drive with Windows installation inside. Select language to install and next. Click the install now and it will bring us to Windows activation. If your previous operating system was Windows 10, no need to put your Windows key activation because the motherboard will remember that your system has the key and the Windows 10 will automatically activate it. But if this was a fresh Windows 10 install, don't worry, you still can use the Windows 10 but some function will be disabled. For this system, I will choose the Windows 10 Pro. Click the custom install windows and then select the partition you want to install. Make sure you already backup all files because the partition will be formatted and all the data inside will be replaced with new fresh Windows 10. Now we wait until the installing Windows finish. After the laptop reboot, unplug your USB flash drive and go to BIOS setting again to set the hard drive first boot priority order, and then save and exit. Now grab a cup of coffee and wait until the laptop fully finalizes Windows 10. Just a few settings and you're good to go. And congratulations, now your laptop will have the latest Windows 10 update. But I think this laptop only suitable for browsing internet, watching video and stuff, and some office work. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and until next time.